Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for Social Security retirement online in a simple and clear way so you can complete your application without confusion. First, go to the official Social Security website and sign in to your My Social Security account. If you don't have one, create it using your personal details like your Social Security number, email, and phone number. Next, once you're logged in, look for the Retirement section and click on Apply for Retirement Benefits. This will start your online application. Now, carefully fill in all required information, including your work history, earnings, marital status, and bank details for direct deposit. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. You'll also be asked when you want your benefits to start. Choose a date that fits your retirement plan, as this can affect how much you receive monthly. After completing the form, review all your details before submitting the application. Double-check for any mistakes or missing information. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation and you can track your application status online through your account. If additional documents are needed, you'll be notified, so respond quickly to keep the process smooth. And that's how you can apply for Social Security retirement online, besahula and without hassle. Subscribe the channel for more videos.